address.
2016-2018.
Done.
I sold my last company, but at the time,
So that's the Bitcoin address, right? So legacy address. There's a second address as well. Well, let's add some other coins. So click manage. What do you want? Bitcoin Diamond. Not SD. Let's see. Classic. Let's see gold. Let's see finance coin. Let's see dash. Not yet. It's coming. Hobby. BAT. Tether. ETH.
Oh, all you have to do is activate them.
Boom. That's it. Now we have all of them here. You want to receive? There's your address. There's your Bitcoin address. There's a Bitcoin Diamond address. There's Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Gold. They're all pegged to this public address. All secured by the
They're all secured by the private key.
Correct.
But I need the mobile data. I need this mobile phone to receive the BNB. I can't just whip this out of my wallet to receive BNB.
So, but this,
That's a lot of
the
steps.
keys are here. So this you want
Right.
to put in the safe deposit box somewhere. You walk around with the app,
Gotcha.
and you activate whatever you want.
And if I wanted to send any BNB from this mobile wallet to Binance Exchange and trade it for Litecoin, I got to peel this off and do all that.
Right.
Once I've done that, this is trash.
Well,
I have to buy a new one and then move everything.
No.
Why not?
You could reuse it as many times as you want.
Why?
Well, because it's like it's just a Bitcoin wallet.
But it's already been scratched off. It's already been peeled off. This is exposed.
So
that's-
you don't want to show it to people.
Right. But if it's been tampered, even by me, that's bad.
Yeah, if
To
other
keep
people
using it in general, not even if people see it.
well,
in general,
if it's in the safe deposit box, so other people don't access it. It
doesn't
doesn't matter.
But if I open my safety deposit box and I see that it's been tampered, I'm like, oh, it's okay. I did that.
No. Well,
Okay.
yeah, but
Okay.
yeah.
If somebody's just getting into Bitcoin, first day in, and you're saying, hey, I printed you a paper wallet. Don't worry, here's the Bitcoin, here's the private key. I encrypted it, here's the password, it's all there. And I walk away. That's a trust, right? No matter what, I have to trust. I have to trust somebody here and somebody here didn't get the job just to collude in the middle. You know what I mean? Like, oh, we wiped it here and wiped it
explain how
there.
it's done?
No, I
Can
get
you
it.
explain it to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's not impossible.
No.
It's just not
in theory, he could scam you.
Exactly.
He could write it down.
I'm done.
Of course.
I'm done. I'm going home.
Bye.
I'm done.
I get his point.